Hi, welcome back to our podcast, your go to podcast for soulful travel, hidden gems, and unforgettable experiences. In today's episode, we're taking you to a floating garden in the Atlantic, a place where volcanic cliffs drop into turquoise waters, where the scent of flowers fills the air year round, and where the food is just as vibrant as the views. That's right. We're spending 3 days in Madeira, Portugal. From the airport to mountaintop viewpoints, we'll walk you through the perfect 72-hour itinerary, including iconic sites, secret spots only locals know, hotel and food recommendations, and how to get the most Instagrammable moments. Whether you're a solo traveler or planning a romantic escape, this lush island is a dream you didn't know you had. Let's land in Madeira. You'll fly into the Cristiano Ronaldo International Airport. Yes, it's named after the football legend himself, who's from here. The airport is about a 20-minute ride from the capital city, Funchal. Grab a taxi or pre-book a shuttle for around 30 USD. Stay at the Castanheiro Boutique Hotel, centrally located, stylish, with a rooftop pool and spa. Rooms start at 130 per night. Head to the historic old town Zona Velha of Punchal. Stroll through Rua de Santa Maria, famous for its painted doors project. Every doorway is a different piece of art. Duck into the Merceria Doña Misha, a tiny local grocery and wine shop to sample Madeira wine the way locals do, unpretentiously with a story behind every bottle. Dine at Restaurante do Forte, set in an old portraits by the sea. Try the black scar-barred fish with banana. Sounds wild, tastes divine. Around 25 USD per person with wine. Visit the Monte Palas Tropical Garden. Ride the cable car up from the Punchal, 13 USD one way. The gardens are serene and filled with exotic plants, koi pans, and azulejo tile panels. Instagram tip, snap a photo with the Japanese garden red bridge. It's perfectly framed by tropical greenery and mountain views. In the evening, take a toboggan ride down the hill in a wicker basket sled, steered by two men in straw hats, a tradition dating back to 19th century, for 35 USD per person. Dinner, book a sunset dinner at Armazém Dosal, house in a former salt warehouse. Their seafood tasting menu is about 40 USD. Overnight at Castanheiro. Then, in the Western Madeira road trip, in the morning, pick up a rental car, approximately 60 per day. Your day starts with a road trip along the scenic west coast. First stop, Cabagirao Skywalk. This glass-floored viewpoint stands on one of the highest sea cliffs in Europe, 1,900 feet above the ocean. Free entry. Next, Ribera Brava. Grab a pastel de nata and espresso at a seaside cafe. Try Pastellaria Mariesha, hidden in plain sight with unbeatable ocean views. Midday, try the Siao Vicente and Sexial. Explore lava caves in Sao Vicente for $10 USD entry. Then head to Sexial for a dip in its natural volcanic swimming pools. These are less touristy than Puerto Moniz, but equally stunning and totally free. Lunch, stop at Bresa Mar and Sixial for grilled limpets, a Madeiran delicacy around 18 USD with drinks. Afternoon, Puerto Moniz, take in the famous natural lava pools, ideal for a scenic swim, 4 USD entry. Instagram tip, photograph the turquoise pools framed by jagged black rocks. Best lighting is around 4 p.m. Evening, drive back via Escomienda Pass, one of Madeira's most epic mountain roads. You'll see cloud forests terraced by vineyards and epic sunset views. At dinner, dine at Otasco back in Funchal. Their espetada or skewered beef grilled over laurel wood is a must. Around 30 USD with drinks. Sunrise and relaxation. At sunrise hike, optional but recommended. Wake early and drive to Pico do Arriero. You'll be above the clouds watching the sunrise from one of the highest peaks on the island. Dress warm, it gets chilly up there. Instagram tip, bring a tripod or ask fellow hikers. Sunrise silhouette shots here are iconic. Breakfast back at the hotel or cafe like Ritz Madeira, a historic spot on Fonchal's main square. Mid-morning shopping, head to Mercado dos Labradores, Ponchal's vibrant market. Try exotic fruits like Monstera Deliciosa and grab souvenirs like Madeira wine, mini bottle, 8 to 12 USD. Hand-embroidered linens, Laure Silva honey, unique to Madeira's UNESCO forest. Lunch at Grab Bolo do Caco, warm garlic bread, made on a basalt stone with a chorizo or cheese from a street stall, 5 to 7 USD. Relaxing afternoon, walk the Ledo Promenade by the sea or chill at Doca do Cavacas, a tiny oceanside bar where you can sip poncha, Madeira's signature sugarcane liquor cocktail, and watch the waves for 6 USD. Unlike Lisbon, Madeira doesn't have an actual pink and green street, but head to Roa da Carreira and Roa Fernão Ornales. These pedestrian streets are bustling with color, umbrellas overhead, and pastel-painted passages. Dinner at Design Centre Nini Andrade Silva, perched on a cliff. This museum meets restaurant is a design marvel. Chef-curated local tasting menu runs around 60 USD. And final night tip, enjoy a drink at your hotel's rooftop and toast to an unforgettable 3 days in Madeira. Madeira fun facts and trivia. Madeira is closer to Africa than it is to mainland Portugal. Its name means wood in Portuguese, named for its dense forests. The island's Laure Silva forest is older than the dinosaurs. Cristiano Ronaldo has a museum dedicated to him in Funchal, complete with a life-size statue. And the language and currency, Portuguese is the official language here. Most locals in tourism speak English. The currency is the euro, and credit cards are widely accepted. Best time to visit is April to June or September to November. You avoid summer crowds but still enjoy perfect weather and blooming landscape. Madeira is also known as the Hawaii of the Europe. And then total estimated cost in USD for 3 days per person. Flights from US East Coast is $600 to $800. Hotel for 3 nights is $390. Food $200. Activities and entry fees $100. Transportation $100. Souvenirs and extra $50. Grand total around 1,450 USD per person. And that's the wrap on our 3-day Madeira escape. If you've been dreaming of a lush island with old world charm, wild adventures, and the perfect blend of relaxation and culture, Madeira is your moment. Be sure to follow us on this episode, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any question or if you want to cover up some next travel vlog. And until next time, keep your passport closed and your heart open. Ciao.